Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to fix WhatsApp can't send video. Here are the steps to fix WhatsApp can't send videos on Android. First, check your internet connection. Make sure Wi Fi or mobile data is active and stable. Restart WhatsApp. Close the app completely and reopen it. Restart your phone. A reboot often fixes temporary glitches. Check date and time. Go to Settings, System, Date and Time. Enable automatic date and time. Check storage space. Go to Settings again, Storage. Make sure there's enough space for sending videos. Update WhatsApp. Open the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, then update it if available. Check video size and format. Videos larger than 16 MB may fail. Try compressing or trimming supported formats. These are the examples of supported formats, like MP4, AVI, MOV. Enable storage permissions. Go to Settings again, Apps, All Apps, WhatsApp, Permissions. Make sure photos and videos are on the allowed section. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go back to WhatsApp, Storage, Clear cache. Switch networks. Try sending the video on another Wi Fi network or mobile data. Reinstall WhatsApp. Backup chats via settings, chats, chat backup. Uninstall and reinstall the app. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.